Kaya mo yan, Sheena.
Yes, Bloom, sasabi na niya Ate Jo, pero just know na dahil you guys have our back, nalilito na ako. Kasi you guys have our back, so, you have a back. Pero you get the point, right? That's the point. Pero, yes, thank you so much, Blooms, kahit na ganito yung bonding natin, just know na genuine yung love and care namin for all of you, and kahit sobrang dami na natin, I hope na mas palagawin pa natin tong pamilyang to, and let's just all be happy. Yes.